Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today as usual. I think I got a little bit of the Rona. Freaking throat is sore, dry, can't really taste anything. I think I got that thing right on the spot. But anyways, still going to come out with a video for you guys today. We got some interesting things going on the XRP charts and some headlines for you guys today with Ripple's on-demand liquidity that leverages XRP. Lately, oh my god, dude, Bitcoin been sliding back pretty hard, but I'm noticing that the alts are starting to tick up a couple of percentage points while Bitcoin is, doing nothing. And what's really freaking interesting to me on the XRP charts is when Bitcoin started to be crashing yesterday, XRP was testing this key level double bottom on the weekly chart. And XRP starts going down there, right? But the market immediately says, no, we are going to secure this double bottom and fill gaps up to 80 cents. So that's why if we go over to the smaller time frames here, you can see right there, Bitcoin was crashing, trying to carry XRP down with it. XRP saying absolutely not and fills that little micro gap on the 1 hour. So I do expect XRP to continue trading out in this little range here. What's interesting is this support back here was broken, right? That whole little trend line we had going, it was broken, but then the market immediately comes right back up. So in a way, on the higher time frames, this level was never broken, because this on the higher time frames, what is that? It's a freaking wick, dude. It's a wick. You go even further out to the weekly, that's just a wick. That's all that is. So check this out on the XRP daily chart. Looks like we got another little double bottom secured starting to happen right now. Guys, there is nothing but billions of dollars in leverage trader liquidity just sitting up here, and I'm waiting for the day that the whales go ahead and grab that liquidity. I know Bitcoin's crashing, but could see some sort of an alt season pretty soon here. Got a lot of major developments with Ripple and XRP. We finally got Jed McCaleb out of the system. He's no longer selling XRP. Awaiting the end of the Ripple SEC lawsuit. Got XLS20 coming out, NFTs for the XRP ledger, Flare token coming out this month, and then we got, after the Ripple lawsuit, we got Ripple IPO. We got very good things to look forward in the future. But just speaking strictly on the charts, we're going to get this double bottom, secure some gap fills up to $1 per coin. And then the craziest part is if we actually want to go to like a $5 to $10 per coin level, that's what we're looking to break here. Imagine we get some dream scenario where we break this little tiny resistance right there, pull back, use it as a launch pad, secure the double bottom, break that trend line, pull back to it, flip it as support, dude. You're looking at like very, very high priced XRP. This is very well something that could play out because all the market does is move in waves, man. It's going down, 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 and up, and down, and up, and down, and way up, and way down. It's just going to keep following the same wave, man. So I do believe this could be lying in the future. Check this out today. Bitso, who is a Ripple-enabled exchange that's providing liquidity for XRP to the Mexican peso. All right. Bitso partners AfriChange on Canada to Mexico crypto remittances. Bitso, the leading cryptocurrency platform in Latin America with more than 5 million users, announced today a partnership with AfriChange, an African-Canadian remittance platform with more than 15,000 users in Canada, to facilitate cross-border transactions from Canada to Mexico. We do know that United States to Mexico is a very, very big corridor. And I remember about a year ago, some information came out, and it was like Ripple's on-demand liquidity literally had like 5-10% of all of the U.S. to Mexico transactions. It's crazy, and I imagine it's going to keep going up from there, considering Ripple-enabled partners continue to make more partnerships. With an initial focus on remittances from Canada to Nigeria, and after processing over 70 million Canadian dollars, AfriChange is now expanding its coverage, allowing remittances to be sent from Canada to anywhere in Mexico by partnering with Bitso, the most experienced platform in Latin America for the use of crypto for cross-border payments. I'm going to go over to CoinMarketCap here. Tap on XRP. Let's see how Bitso is ranking in the total market liquidity for XRP. And I don't even think CoinMarketCap is recognizing Bitso. Why is that? Is it too low on the charts for volume? Or no, we got it right there. There's Bitso. Okay. You see XRP to Mexican peso is ranked 122 out of all the liquidity for XRP. and they're running like I forget which one's the actual volume, because this is like -2. This is like 2% plus or minus 2% buyer depth plus 2% like seller depth. I believe this is the actual volume right there, which would be the $15 million per day. And yeah, that's the actual volume right there. So they're running $15 million per day on XRP to the Mexican peso. Again, just one of the many corridors that XRP is dominating. Guys, right now is currently the second day of the XRPL Developer Summit going on in Las Vegas. I'm not seeing any live streams of it, but I will predict that later this week we're going to see little video clips come out and stuff, because David Schwartz is speaking at one of these panels, as well as a few other Ripple executives. So if you want to go through Meet the Speakers, this is going on in Las Vegas, September 6th to 8th. Enjoy 2 full days of keynotes, breakouts, and workshop. Wait, breakouts? Are you talking like this kind of breakout? Like, what's going on there? Anyways, got David Schwartz, Thomas. This guy has written. He's been a contributor for like Forbes, or I believe Forbes. He's actually been like a contributor for XRP articles and stuff like that. David Schwartz. Honestly, I don't really know too many of these people, but CBDC product manager at Ripple. Dude, this one was kind of funny. Yeah, CJ Cobb, staff software engineer. I wonder if we got some like bloodline connection there. I'm not sure. But anyways, guys, tons and tons and tons of speakers at this XRP Developer Summit. So I am predicting in the next few days we are going to see video clips come out like crazy, little 1-2 minute clips of some breadcrumbs about XRPL and Ripple progress. Here's a little picture I snagged off of Twitter of the XRPL Developer Summit. Pretty cool to see that. Last piece of information for today, we got Nathan Price at Nate855. Gonna get a like on this tweet here. Ripple has been tapped in for some years now. Check this out. So this is Financial Stability Institute, Bank for International Settlements, GPFI Global Partnership for Financial Inclusion. This is in Switzerland, October 2014, like a year or so after the fruition of the XRP ledger being in existence. And one of the sessions did include Miss Karen Gifford, Chief Compliance Officer at Ripple Labs, former counsel and officer at Litigation and Enforcement Group, Federal Reserve Bank for New York. So you're talking like all the way back in 2014. And I think like back in those days, like David Schwartz confirmed, like Ripple was almost like bankrupt back then. There was a point where it's like, dude, they were almost bankrupt. And I feel like all major companies today, all the big, blue chip stocks, I feel like all of them like almost went bankrupt in the early days, and they struggled through it, and they survived, and they powered through it, and they are what they are today. So it's just crazy to see that back in 2014, when Ripple was really like a nobody. I mean, you want to look at XRP liquidity back in 2014, man. I mean, look at it. Like literally, XRP was pretty much just a nobody at that point. I mean, you're talking, 2014. Like, you're talking back here, okay? And this general zone, or I think since it's October, actually, like more over here, right? Like back here, look at this whole price action history of XRP. And back here, Ripple was hiring like former, what was it again? Former counsel and officer at Litigation Enforcement Group for the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. Back then, when they were like a nobody, man, when they were a nobody, they were hiring people from the Federal Reserve, and Ripple had like damn near no liquidity. Okay, like let's pull up the volume chart here. Right? I mean, look at this back there in 2014. Compared to the liquidity we have today, the mountains of liquidity that is there, dude, they had nothing back here. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Like, I can't even get the volume to even show up on the indicator. Like, XRP was basically worthless at that point, but they were still meeting in Switzerland. Like it's just crazy to me. It's crazy to me because what Ripple is today is a gigantic Silicon Valley tech giant, right? And they got a $15 billion war chest and whatnot with XRP, right? They got, a RippleNet financial steering committee with some of the largest banks on this freaking earth, including Mitsubishi Bank of Tokyo. Like, I think the 4th largest bank in existence. The Mitsubishi, Financial Group Bank of Tokyo, right? I mean, it's just crazy what Ripple is doing now. Thank you guys for tuning in the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.